is made up of two parts. You have the real part and the imaginary part. The imaginary part is, in this case, bi. It's the part that's multiplied by the imaginary unit, I. Examples of complex numbers are 3 plus 4i, negative 6 plus 3 halves I, 4.5 plus I, 2 square root of 6. Notice that in each case you have a real part, 4.5, negative 6, 3, and an imaginary part, 4i, 3 halves I times 2 square root of 6. Okay, so writing numbers in complex form. The standard form for a complex number is a plus bi form. Write the real part first and follow it with the imaginary part. 9 minus the square root of negative 75. That square root of negative 75 could be simplified. Oops. There it is. Into the square root of negative 25 times the square root of 3. The square root of negative 25 is 5i. So you get the 9, that just carries down. The minus just carries down. The square root of negative 25 is 5i, and the square root of 3 carries down. So here on the square root of negative 16 plus 7, 16 is a perfect square. The square root of negative 16 is 4i, and then plus 7. To write this in standard form, you want to put the real part first. 7 plus 4i. Okay, 5 minus the square root of negative 144. 144 is 12 to the second power. So this becomes 5 minus 12i. And then the opposite of the square root of negative 100. Again, 100 is a perfect square. So the square root of 100 is 10. The negative underneath the square root gives you I. You get negative 10i. In standard form, you'd want to list the real part, which is 0. 0 minus 10i.